Hazards in the workplace are a fact of life. No matter what you do, there's the need for personal protective equipment on many of the jobs you perform. Health hazards, eye hazards, noise, and chemicals. Whether or not you use personal protective equipment is really up to you. If you choose not to, your attitude may be the biggest hazard of all. Personal protective equipment is one of the best ways to protect your own health and safety. You've seen it all before. Eye protection that's uncomfortable, equipment that gets in your way, and thousands of other excuses for not wearing protection when it's required. When personal protective equipment is provided by your employer and its use is required, it's your job to wear it. Maybe your equipment isn't comfortable or convenient as you'd like it to be, but you should convince yourself that your health and well-being are worth the effort. Stop for a minute and consider the risks. What if you lost an eye or hand or became exposed to a life-threatening illness? Is it really worth the gamble? Of course not. Let's take a quick look at some basics of personal protective equipment. Earplugs or earmuffs can go a long way to avoid hearing loss. Adjust your muffs so they're comfortable and don't squeeze your ears. Disposable earplugs must be clean and fitted properly. Never insert dirty earplugs or use dirty hands when putting the plugs in your ears. Of course, earplugs connected to portable radios are not considered hearing protection. Safety glasses provide eye protection from flying chips, debris, and other eye hazards. Goggles protect your eyes from chemical splashes, and face shields are a safeguard when worn over other protective eyewear, such as safety glasses. Handy-dandy straps connected to your safety glasses keep them from falling off your nose, or connected around your neck when safety glasses are not necessary. Gloves protect your hands from chemicals, rough or sharp parts, and a wide range of skin protection. Keep in mind that there are literally hundreds of different types of gloves, each designed for a specific purpose, so select the proper glove for the job. Respirators can protect you against a wide variety of dusts, fumes, gases, vapors, and many other health hazards. One of the most misused respirators in the industry is the dust mask. It's designed only for certain types of dust, but many people believe it's good for any type of hazard. A dust mask cannot be used for spray painting or other types of vapors. Each specific hazard must have the proper respirator that provides protection for that hazard. Proper fitting of respiratory equipment and the wearing of equipment as it was intended is equally important. The old standby. Hard hats protect your head from low-hanging or falling objects. Wear hard hats as they were intended to be worn and never make modifications to your hat, such as drilling air holes in the sides. Each hat is engineered for impacts, and if you modify the hat, you could damage the hat to such a degree where the hat will not afford the designed protection. Bump caps are made of lesser quality plastic and are not engineered for falling objects or impacts. Bump caps are used in areas where there are bump hazards and not falling objects. Many food processing facilities use bump caps solely for the purpose of containing hair and not for protection from impacts of falling objects. Boots and shoes are good personal protective equipment. Even if your job doesn't require steel-toed safety shoes, leather-topped shoes can provide a degree of protection from chemical splashes, petroleum products, and small cuts, bruises, and abrasions. Your shoes should be